John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you what we've done on a Maserati Gran Turismo. This is a 2013 model, so quite a timeless design on the outside. Interior is lovely, but the in-car entertainment is antiquated, very antiquated indeed. So our client wanted Apple CarPlay, DAB radio, Bluetooth music streaming, basically everything you would get in a more modern version of this car. Now, we have got the option to add Apple CarPlay to the existing screen, but the screens in these, if you already know, the resistive technology means you've practically got to punch the screen to make it work. It's the old school push with pressure to work. Obviously, our customer didn't want that, so we've actually fitted a brand new system with a very responsive capacitive screen, meaning light, effortless touching like your smartphone. Now, let's go inside and show you what we've done. We have here the Alpine Halo 9 installed. Now let's turn it on and show you. This is the way this is installed. This actually goes in front of the factory screen, so you don't see the original screen behind. How this works is at the bottom there is a single DIN unit, and there is a head unit which we take out, and a new Halo gets fitted here, and the screen floats in front of the factory screen here, meaning you can't see the original equipment. Reason we do it like this, it's a lot easier to install a screen like this rather than trying to fabricate a screen in a factory position, which takes over double the amount of time. This is an installation where we can install the new system with a reverse camera in like under 2 days. So it's very simple to install overall. Okay, now this car's had a reverse camera additional as well. So if the customer was to, let's start it up quickly. The customer was to select reverse, then the image of the reverse camera automatically comes up. You get guidelines as well, which we can adjust. I'll put them, actually I will adjust these differently because I want the red line to be close to the rear bumper. Now you can just about make out the rear bumper. Now that means when you're looking in reverse, you get a good perspective view knowing the distance. Now this car has parking sensors as well, which obviously helps. You can hear them behind me. Take it out of reverse, put it back in park. Okay, now this unit here offers Apple CarPlay wirelessly, Android Auto wired, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity. Now the USB, we've done a nice neat install. What we've done is we've actually replaced the cigarette lighter and put a twin flush USB there. So real neat job. I mean, you can see that this is a nice tidy installation. This is the view from the driver's point of view. So you get an easy view. You can easily touch it when you're driving. It's extremely intuitive to use. We've also got things like the steering wheel controls to work. So volume up and down on the left, track up and down on the right, and even the phone buttons answer and hang up the call as well. Now to pick up the voice, we've installed a subtle microphone, which if your camera was to focus, you could just about see it there. DAB aerial is on the front windscreen just there. Let me zoom in so you can see that. There you go. So it's quite subtle. You don't have to have that fitted if you don't want DAB, because you know a lot of our clients will just stream internet radio through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For example, if I go into CarPlay now, I can then go to my apps on the screen, and I can go through all my apps. So I've got Absolute Radio app, I've got BBC Sounds, I've got Capital Dance app, I've got Radio Player, which gives you all the DAB radio apps. You know, obviously we've got things like Tidal, Spotify Control, and all the navigation apps you could possibly want. TomTom Go, Waze, you've got iOS Maps, and you've got Google. So much more modern, the original system that's in there. Now let's go around the back and show you what the reverse camera actually looks like fitted. There you go, extremely subtle position there. Just pokes out, but when you look at it from this view, you can't even see it. Extremely subtle installation of a reverse camera. But yeah, that is it for this Maserati. Just a quick walk around video showing what we've done. If you have a Gran Turismo or Quattroporte with the same infotainment system in the dash, whether it's working or faulty, then yeah, get in contact. We can show you the same solution and price you all up and give you a quote. For now, that's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio signing off. See you later.